peeps. Today we're gonna blacken some wings to go with that blue cheese sauce we did. I thought it just might work, so we might as well get her done. So what we got here is some smart chicken wings and drumettes, and some good old Paul Prudhomme blackening seasoning. So we're gonna blacken them, and then we are going to finish them off on the Traeger out there. Get some smoke on them, and then we're gonna make a delicious plate with our delicious blue cheese sauce we made yesterday. And here's another thing: smart chicken. Obviously, they do not promote me or sell me, but there is a thing about smart chicken and me that you might want to know. So we got that coming up here shortly. Alright guys, time to get those wings seasoned up like Joe was talking about. So I use a blackening seasoning. I use Paul Prudhomme. You use whatever you find, or just, you know, jack up your regular rub that you use when you're smoking with a little cayenne or whatever. I'm just going to pour that whole bottle in. Like I said, Paul Prudhomme's, that's what I use, but use what you want. Blackening seasoning or whatever. Just add some more seasoning to your rub that you already do use. So we're going to get that incorporated all over on our chicken, like so. And I didn't think I had quite enough, so I got me another bottle. Hopefully you get you a bigger bottle. But we'll add this other little bottle here. You want to get it really coated. And this goes really, really well with that blue cheese sauce we made yesterday. And it works really well. You can use this on a steak. That seasoning you can use on a steak, sear it on your Blackstone, sear it in your house, sear it on the cooking oven. You can definitely do these wings in the oven. You do not have to put them on the smoker like I am. But you want to get that seasoning all over it. You want them nicely coated. Yeah, this is going to do well with our dipping sauce. Alright guys, next time you see me, we'll be out at the Traeger.
Alright, so I wanted to tell you about, Corey had a feature in Smart Chicken magazine called Cafe Tecumseh. And so he was invited to submit some chicken recipes to their magazine that features chicken recipes and other cooking tips for using their product. Anyway, so he got into this magazine, which is distributed nationwide, with a bunch of other notable chefs. Who are those chefs again, Corey?
Pitmaster Chris Hart, author and barbecue world champion, and Nathan McClure, chef and owner of Culinary Confidence.
So then Corey's recipe for raspberry chicken tacos got in the magazine, and if you're lucky, maybe he'll show you how to make that someday. He submitted 2 other recipes, but this was the one they chose. But today he's going to do one of the recipes, the spicy chicken wings, and they didn't pick it, but it's delicious and it's going to go great with that blue cheese dipping sauce. If you want to see this issue of the magazine, even though it's not in the stores anymore, it's still online. So you can Google Smart Chicken and then select our magazine from the menu, and under previous issues you'll find this issue. It's just not the most recent, but just the one before that. And we'll put the link below this video in the comments, and so click on that and go check out the recipe yourself.
Peeps, we're back out at the Traeger. Welcome back. We're just gonna make a little extras for the wings here. We got celery, 2 stalks here. Yeah, this ain't rocket science, so I'm not gonna go through it very much. But you're gonna go through your celery like that. You can take it in half, like so. You got the celery sticks. I mean, what we got left over that we're going to add on to the pile is some of Jen's sweet pickles. You can go back and look at that video. It's back in the archive there. So I figured this would go well with it also. It should be a good complement to the other flavors that are going on. So we're going to pull some of these out. I had to fight her to let me use the rest of her sweet pickles. This is the last jar that she had. She wasn't too happy, but we're going to get some. We're going to steal some of them. Here we go. Hey, I'm going to take you back when the wings are done, or just about done, and then we'll just set this plate up. We'll make it look pretty, and then we're going to eat some. Alright, this, we got them off the Traeger. Look at those blackened chicken wings, they look good. Anyway, we got some stuff we can put around it. So you just want to lay them. We got some celery, we got some carrot, obviously Jen's sweet pickles. Those are absolutely going on there. So this is a little something we need to cleanse your palate or whatever after having a wing, or just to cool your mouth down. But these aren't that hot. These are not crazy hot by any sort of the imagination. So there you go. But I'm going to add a little heat to it. We got some peppers from our gardener, serrano, and a super chili. So we're going to go around there with these, like so. Let them drop where they will. Alright, excellent. One last thing I'm going to do is, obviously I got more of my blue cheese sauce. We're just going to give it a dribble right over all the pieces like that. Alright, so there you got it. That's a cookie with Corey blackened chicken wing with blue cheese sauce party platter, or football platter, or playoff baseball platter, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to have one of these. Obviously we're going to take this bad boy right here. Oh my God. You guys need to try this recipe? Go check out my other recipes on Smart Chicken Magazine, Tecumseh Cafe Tecumseh. I'll tell you what. Real deal wings, peeps. Enjoy. We'll see you back next week.